is going to be a super fast screencast. I'm really just going to get you set up with lucidchart, and then we're going to move it on and let you just kind of explore. So we're at something that looks like this. It could be a Lucid app. It could be kind of an orange looking lucidchart looking thing. But let's, something that looks like this. But either way, what we're going to do is we're going to start free, and we're going to select continue with Google. All right. Yes, I'm logging in. All right, here we are. So we are in our kind of our home screen and all that stuff. You're not going to have any recent documents or anything like that. So we're just going to select new, and we're going to select a blank document. All right, so we can start by renaming it. So this is going to be like dream house floor plan, something like that. Okay. So really the only thing I want to point your attention to is right over here. So you can see that we've got our standard shapes, our flow chart shapes. I don't know if we're going to need those. We won't close any of these, and just regular shapes. Okay, so what we're going to do, and of course you've got a toolbar up here, but here's the only thing I'm going to point you to, and then you're on your own. I'm going to come down here and select Shape Library, and let me see here. It is right here. Okay, alphabetical order. Duh. Floor plans. Just go ahead. It's got like a lot of stuff, but let's just go ahead and select all of it and use selected shapes. Okay, now we've got a whole lot of stuff to choose from. So we've got cubicles. I don't think you'll need that. So bathrooms, beds, appliances, dressers, couches, technology. But what you're going to start with probably are rooms and walls and stuff like that. So I'm just going to start with a room. Drag this over. Here's my 10 foot by 10 foot room. Okay, so maybe this is like a bedroom. If I don't want it to be 10 foot by 10 foot, I can just simply drag like so. If I don't want it to be square, so right now I've just got this square room, I can change the dimensions like so and work like that. I can add walls as well, so I'm just going to add a wall, obviously something like this. And you can see how everything is kind of snapping into place like that. Okay, so, but what would this room be? I don't even know what this would be. Maybe we want to extend that out. Let's move this out this way. This is turning into a weird looking room. Okay, but let's put a door in there, and voila, we got a door. Maybe it's going to be a pocket door or something like that. All right. And let's turn this into the necessary. Okay, there we go. And add a toilet, and let me see what else we got in here. Okay, a corner sink. Okay, that seems logical. There must be a way to rotate it around. There we go. And voila, we got a corner sink. Okay, so maybe this is like an ensuite or something like that for grandparents or whatever. So it's really just drag and drop. You can change the dimensions as needed. You can add walls, remove walls, all kinds of stuff. It is really self-explanatory the second you get going and just finding all those shapes. This is a free account, so you might get limited to number of shapes. So just be wise or be cautious with all that. And good luck designing. Enjoy.